Hello everyone! Today, we will draw a treasure chest. First we draw the big shapes with a pencil. Start by drawing a tall rectangle. Add a wide rectangle to its side. Draw the lid with a half oval, a horizontal line and a quarter oval. Divide the front of the chest in two. Draw a rectangle for the lock. And our pencil sketch is done. Now we take a black marker to draw the clean lines and add details. Trace the chest and the lid. Round off the corners of the lock. Draw the keyhole with a circle and triangle. Draw metal straps around the chest. Draw the planks. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. I color the chest yellow and brown. And voila! Our drawing is finished. What can you imagine with your treasure chest? Is it buried underground? Does it lay forgotten on an attic? Did it sink to the ocean floor? Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.